The liver is one of the organs of the body that works the hardest. It aids in food digestion, the production of energy, the storage of energy for later use, and is crucial in removing dangerous chemicals from your blood. But when your body has too much fat and is unable to effectively digest it, it can be a huge problem for you. And one dangerous thing about a fatty liver is that it can go unnoticed for years until it becomes so inflamed that it damages the liver. Today, we are going to show you 7 signs to pay attention to in order to know if you have a fatty liver. Let's get into it. According to one study, individuals with fatty liver have a high consumption of trans and saturated fats as well as an excessive amount of carbs and simple sugars, like fructose and sucrose. So, if you are simply eating too much sugar, fat, corn syrup, and carbs, or you are obese, you need to check these signs. Number 7. Pain. Most victims of these fatty livers usually have non-specific pain that differs from one person to another. So simply because you are not feeling the type of pain a fatty liver patient is feeling doesn't always mean you are safe. Fatty liver disease can lead to cirrhosis, which can cause body discomfort that is misinterpreted as shoulder pain or even stomach pain if ascites is present, and sometimes it can even exert pressure on any surrounding tissue in your arm, back, or organs. The abdominal pain from a fatty liver can also affect the right side of the body. So if you are feeling any unusual frequent pain, it's time to see the doctor. Who knows? A fatty liver might be the reason for your pain. Number 6. Jaundice. When you look in the mirror and notice that your eye has a yellow tint, it can be frightening. This is caused by the accumulations of bilirubin in the body. Bilirubin in the blood can cause your skin, eyes, and even urine to turn yellow. What's this bilirubin? It is a byproduct produced by the body when aged red blood cells are destroyed. So, when the liver isn't functioning properly, bilirubin isn't effectively eliminated and accumulates in the blood, causing yellow skin, eyes, and urine. Although this is an obvious sign of fatty liver disease, other liver-related symptoms for hepatitis B, fatty liver, or cirrhosis can also cause yellowing of the eyes. So visit your doctor to be sure which of these is causing your yellow eyes. Number 5. Weakness and fatigue. People with fatty liver disease frequently feel sluggish and exhausted, and about half of all instances of fatty liver disease include fatigue as a common early symptom, and if it is not properly attended to, it becomes severe enough to seriously lower the person's quality of life. The fatty liver can also cause mental fatigue, which makes it difficult to do both mental and physical duties. It may be connected to anxiety and stress as well. According to research, the liver has the ability to communicate with the brain. The basal ganglia, which are responsible for emotions and voluntary motor control, are one part of the brain that is impacted when you have a fatty liver. It can also lead to oxidative stress. So, if you have fatigue for no apparent cause, your liver may be the source of the issue. Number 4. Skin rash. Itching skin is one of the earliest warning signs that your liver isn't working properly. Symptoms like redness, a skin rash, and itching may manifest if you have a fatty liver. When your liver contains too much fat, you can get a condition called primarily biliary cholangitis, which causes your body to itch when bile accumulates because the fatty liver has damaged your bile ducts. Number 3. Mental confusion. The toxins that have built up in the liver can deposit in the brain and lead to mental confusion, an inability to concentrate, and eventually an inability to respond and a coma. Hepatic encephalopathy, a brain disease, is most likely caused by a fatty liver as a result of long-term alcohol abuse. For instance, a fattened liver prevents the organ from neutralizing harmful byproducts like ammonia in alcoholic fatty liver disease. These accumulate in the bloodstream, go to the brain, and cause symptoms including forgetfulness, mood swings, and issues with fine motor skills. So, have you ever found that you frequently forget things you would normally remember? Toxin accumulations in the blood might impact your brain when your liver is failing due to a fatty liver. So pick up the phone now and make an appointment with your doctor. Number 2. Edema. As a result of a fatty liver, which reduces the liver's ability to synthesize proteins, patient may have swelling in their legs and stomach. And although this condition is linked to some other medical conditions, it is a severe indication that your liver isn't functioning properly and you have a fatty liver. So if you have too much fluid in your feet and ankles, check in with your doctor. Number 1. Constant dry mouth or dry eyes. A common issue is having a dry mouth or dry eyes. Although it may appear to be a minor problem, it may be a sign that something more sinister is present. As one of the symptoms of a fatty liver, it is easy to identify, so treat it right away. Because it manifests early on the liver disease spectrum, this can be one of the primary symptoms for your doctor uses to help guide them down the appropriate path for your care. Remember that the body will always give you signs that it requires medical attention. You, on the other hand, need to understand these signs and get prompt medical care to avoid escalation. Therefore, take caution, stay healthy, and stay informed. If you watched till this point, smash the like button, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.